Hello, this is Brent here at Coliseum Lexus of Oakland. We have a great day in store for you if you want to come and join us. If you're on YouTube, please like and subscribe. I have a new drop you guys gotta see. Hey guys, this is the new drop I was telling you about. It's a 2021 LC500 convertible. Beautiful paint job, has a heads-up display, very well equipped. If you are interested, text me for details. Here in the trade lot, we have an early bird special. In case you don't like it new, this is a 2019. In case you don't want it gray, this one comes in red. In case you don't want black interior, this one has brown. Text me for details. Deal of the day, we have the 2013 Nissan Leaf S. It has 0 emissions, just over 45,000 miles, heated seats, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth capabilities. Text me for details.